Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to change the auto download settings in Zangi. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, well, do it right now. The process is quite easy. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply go to settings. At the bottom right, you can see a gear-like icon right here. Click on it right now, and then you will be redirected to the settings page. And from here, as you guys can see, there are lots and lots of options. But right now, what you guys need to do is simply focus on this thing called as data storage. Click on it right now. And guys, this is it. From here, as you can see, there is something called as auto media download. Currently, it is enabled for both mobile data and Wi-Fi. In case you want more settings, simply click on any one of them, and this thing will open up. From here, you can simply enable or disable auto media download or auto save to gallery. You just have to play around with these buttons. Do note that you can also change the maximum file size that you wish to download. As you guys can see, I am doing it right now. Well guys, that is it. That's how we change auto download settings in Zangi. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.